Welcome, primary and elementary students and families, if you are in the background, to your club open house. My name is Veronica Opani. I'm your family school partnership coordinator. I try so hard to get you guys engaged and involved with after school activities. And so we have an opportunity for you guys to enjoy after school activities. If we don't have something that you're really looking for, I will tell you the process on how you could possibly get a club started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started in the clubs that we have so far. Now, this is such a cool opportunity, right, for my primary families and students, K to 2. Okay, we have the Book Owls Club, and the Book Owls Club is The Book Owls Club is an opportunity for our service and leadership. So we have some high school students that are doing some service hours and they want to read and discuss and engage with different books that they've chosen and read them to the K to 2 students. And you guys get to engage in fellowship with your peers and them on the book. So why do we want to do this? Why would you want to do this? Well, like I said, it's an opportunity for you to read with or get read to by your service and leadership students and at high school students. And I will be in the room also engaging with you guys and reading and fellowshipping with your peers. So it is a great opportunity to have one of those times just to get books read to you. There are going to be some fun books. So we hope that you register. Again, if you heard Mrs. Gilliard, and I will send this in a newsletter for your parents and you to register, okay? So if you're interested in joining the Book Owls Club, write it down. I will send a newsletter to you and your parents so that they can sign you up or you can sign yourself up if you're interested in the Book Owls Club. Next, we have ABC Around the World, K to 2, Mrs. Shelby. She will be facilitating this club. And Mrs. Shelby said she wants you to come and join and register to learn about different countries all over the world. You guys will be flying virtually to different countries each week. Y'all will meet to learn about different cultures and get ready for new things, sing songs, dance, have fun. P.S. You also get your very own virtual passport. So that is something so fun that we want you guys to register. Again, I will be providing that registration link in the newsletter more as well as to you guys in your Canvas message. So we want you guys to enjoy ABC Around the World if you're interested in that club. And next, for my K to 2 students, you got the Crocheting Club. Miss Cassandra Kennedy will be hosting that. Again, her contact information, I'm going to send everything to you guys, is going to be in our newsletter. And she is going to be meeting Wednesdays and Fridays 2 times a week. Okay, so if you are interested in crocheting and want to join her with crocheting, we'll definitely want you to register for this club. And this again is for my K to 2 friends and all the clubs that I just spoke about. The Book Owls Club, the ABC Around the World Club, and the Crocheting Club are all for just kindergarten through 2nd grade. Okay, next, we have our elementary club. I saw some 4th, 5th graders, some 3rd graders in the room. And I want our elementary students to know that we are working really hard in getting you guys some more club opportunities. So do not be sad at all. We're also going to give you some other things like Miss Tonette's events that you can join, and she does regularly. So do not get upset that you only have one club, but it's a fun club. I just got a chance to talk to this student that's going to be running this club. It's called the Young Arthur Club. And if you don't know, she is going to be she is one of our Hoop Worthy students. She has written so many books. And so I want you guys to know that she's going to be facilitating this club and different activities. You guys are going to be writing different things. So if you're interested in writing and you love writing, please join the Young Authors Club. She is amazing. And I want to get an opportunity to share my screen to let you guys see that she, her hoop worthy information. Give me one quick second. And share my screen. Give it a second. You guys know Jigsaw. Unfortunately, I cannot share my screen so I can share this video. I have the video in for my elementary babies. I have the video in the chat box. I put a link. It's a YouTube video. I think you guys can access YouTube, but if you can't, I will send it in the s'more. She is one of our Hoop Worthy students. She writes a ton of books and she's awesome. So she will be leading up the Young Authors Club. So, like I said, you guys, for my elementary babies, I am working on getting more clubs on the list for you guys. But I will also give you resources on how you can get and do other activities through Miss Tonette's events. And I'll just see if I can work with Miss Tonette to see if we can get a constant event that you guys really want to go to and bring it in as an elementary club. But this is all I have for today. Again, if you are wanting to ask me any questions, I put my email address in the chat box, as well as I will be sending this newsletter, the recordings, the registration links, so that you can register and read up on more on the clubs on your own time with your family. Read up on more clubs that you may be interested in. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording and you guys can go ahead and log off for the evening. But this is it. That's all I have for you guys. But again, I'm going to be working hard in the back end to add more clubs to elementary and primary.